In a bold leap towards justice, the All Pakistan Nambardar Association, commonly known as APNA, is gearing up for a monumental legal showdown. Today, I'm diving into a story of determination, rights, and the fight for dignity. The story of APNA against a contentious verdict by the Federal Shariat Court. Let's set the stage. The Federal Shariat Court recently issued a verdict that has stirred significant controversy, particularly among the Nambardars, a community traditionally revered in Pakistani rural governance. Feeling the pulse of injustice, APNA has decided that silence is not an option. They're fighting back. APNA's response? A meticulously prepared petition ready to be filed in the Supreme Court. The goal? To overturn what they believe is an unjust encroachment on the rights of Nambardars. The spirit behind this move is captured perfectly by APNA's president, Raja Azmat Ali Kayani. He said, and I quote, "We will not be deterred by false promises and hollow slogans. We believe in practical work, not mere words." End quote. His message is clear: it's time for action. Why does this matter? Nambardars play a crucial role in rural administration, and this verdict, according to APNA, undermines their position, stripping them of the respect and authority they've held for generations. The impact of such a change doesn't just affect the Nambardars, but ripples across the communities they serve. APNA's rallying cry, Nambardar Ka Beta Nambardar, transcends being a mere slogan. It's a declaration of preserving heritage, a call to maintain a lineage of local governance that's been a cornerstone of rural Pakistan. As we watch this legal battle unfold, one thing is evident. APNA isn't just fighting for a title or a position. They are battling for the preservation of their very identity, for the respect of a role passed down through generations. This isn't just a legal fight, it's a fight for history, for culture, and for justice. In conclusion, the petition stands as a testament to APNA's unwavering commitment to the Nambardar community. With every legal brief drafted, every argument prepared, they edge closer to a verdict that could redefine the landscape of rural governance in Pakistan. And rest assured, they are not backing down. Stay tuned as this story develops, because when the gavel finally falls, it won't just be a decision on a piece of paper. It will be a statement about the future of tradition, honor, and justice in Pakistan. Thank you for joining me in uncovering this compelling journey of APNA's stand for justice.